Lightspeed POS Review 2025. Is this the best POS system? Managing sales in 2025 requires a reliable POS system, but most people get this wrong by choosing one that doesn't fit their business size. Lightspeed POS is designed for retail and restaurant businesses. Step 1. Inventory Management. You won't believe what happens next. It tracks products in real time, helps manage variants, and can automatically reorder stock. Step 2. Sales Processing. Lightspeed supports multiple payment options, quick checkouts, and detailed receipts. Its reporting dashboards give insights on top-selling items and peak hours. Step 3. Customer Management. Track loyalty programs, customer histories, and targeted promotions all from the same system. The surprising truth is that Lightspeed is cloud-based, allowing you to access your business data from anywhere, unlike many traditional POS systems. Icing is subscription-based, so it's an investment, but it pays off with efficiency and insights. So, is Lightspeed the best POS system? For retail or restaurants that need robust inventory reporting and customer management, it's definitely among the top choices in 2025.